How's she going, boys? Mike here. Welcome back to Grampie's workshop. We're out here at the lake here today. It's just it's about 0 degrees. It's partly cloudy. Sun is shining, but the lake just froze over last night. And well, not last night, but you know, a couple of nights ago. And it's nice out there now on the lake. And I just want to tell you a little story here before I get to the point of the video. When our grandkids were small, I used to tease them all the time about Loon Lake Louie, the lake monster. Well, they never ever believed me, eh? But I'd tell them that the lake monster, he lived in the lake, and you know, at night time, if you weren't in bed early or being good or something, he'd come out of the lake and come up and, you know, wreak havoc with the kids, the poor kids. Well, they thought I was crazy. I don't think they believed my stories, but anyway. But then they're out here one time in the wintertime, and I don't know if anybody out there lives on a lake or near a lake, or if they understand what goes on in the lake, but our lake has water in feed up at the head of the lake, and then the water flows through the lake down into a little couple of lakes below us, and then out down the brook, out to the ocean eventually. Well, as that water's flowing through the lake, the ice is always moving. You know, it's up and down, or cracking, or creaking, or moaning, or groaning. And moaning and the groaning is the part that got the kids going. Because I'm out here this morning, and it just made quite a little noise there, but I'm hoping I'm going to be able to get it on video. Hey, it's sticker time again at Grampie's workshop. You know how much I love sticker time, eh? It's been a long time since I had a sticker time, but I got a letter. Well, it's a long time ago since I got the letter too. It was probably 3 weeks or more ago I got this letter. It came from Noel, from Noel's Garden Tractors and Firewood, from PEI, good old Mary Timer. Had to go, Noel, thanks a lot for sending me this sticker. And I apologize for not getting it up sooner, but hey, you know what? You know how busy you get when you're sitting around. Well, no, you know, anyways, I'm glad I got this letter from Noel with the sticker in it. Noel's got a great channel, you know. He spent most of the summer cutting up firewood from Fiona Windfall, and he's got 2 shops full of garden tractors, because he's got his own shop full of garden tractors, and he's got a bunch more of his sons, and he's got some nice garden tractors. Oh, and he's got a Ford tractor there. I think it's an it's an M165, I think, but it's got a cab on it, boys. That's a beauty cab too. No, had to go, nice cab. And you know, everybody loves a cab, right? But then there's another one back in the back corner. It's caused him lots of grief, but he says he's on the case, but not very often because it won't start. But he's got a really nice case tractor sitting in the back corner. She looks beautiful, but apparently doesn't run that great. And then he's got, of course, John Deere's, but he's got a couple of little Masseys there too. So a Massey Ferguson 12 and a Massey Ferguson 14. They're nice tractors too. They look nice, eh? They just look like a garden tractor is supposed to look like, or even a farm tractor for that matter. They're nice. They have the vertical stack come out the hood. Oh, it's nice. I love those tractors, Noel. And Noel subs to my channel. I've been subbing to Noel for quite a few months now, almost a year, I'd say. So Noel is, he's starting to build his channel. His channel is starting to ramp up, and he's getting a lot of good subscribers. So if you haven't subscribed already to Noel's Garden Tractors and Firewoods, I'd suggest that you hustle on over there and subscribe. Doesn't cost anything, and tell them Grampie sent you. But anyway, here's Noel's sticker that he sent me. Look at that. What did I get a rate in this frame? That is a handsome sticker, I have to say. Noel's Garden Tractors and Firewoods, and that's he's got a Ford tractor in that with a trailer, and he's got a homemade splitter that he was using, and then he's got hay elevators. He used to use these elevators for putting bales of hay up in the lofts of the barn, and he reworked the hay elevator so that he can just dump his wood on the elevator, and it pulls it right up and piles it on top of his pile. So, you know, he's a man after my own heart, rejigging things that he's got around the home and the shop, and to make his life easier. He sent me a note, but I need the cheaters to read this one. He says, "Dear Mike, thanks for your support of my channel and your comments and helpful tips on your great videos. Here's a sticker for you. Hope you and Nanny have a great day, Noel." Well, thank you very much, Noel. And, you know, our day is a lot better just because you sent us this sticker, buddy. So I think I'm going to put him up here next to Luke. That orange is my new green. Put him over here. Because Luke has got a nice channel too, and I should put nice channels together, right? That's why all these stickers on my wall are so close together, because they're all nice channels. Look at the boys, I got some really nice ones here. Oh, there's a good one there, Grampie's Workshop. Should check that one out. Even with the cheaters, it's getting hard to see. What am I going to do? Okay, Noel's garden tractors and firewood. Right here. Cold in the shop today, but I think it's going to stick on there all right. Great channel, eh? Great channel. And he's from PEI. You can't not like people from PEI. So check out Noel's channel. Noel's Garden Tractors and Firewood. You won't be sorry. And tell him Grampie sent you. And we'll both be happy. So we'll just look out over the lake there for a little bit. And just see. It probably won't make a noise now that I'm out here videoing, but if it does make a noise, you'll know it. Oh, that was a little one, little bark. I hear it now, a noise way off in the distance. I think that's the lower lake it's talking to. But anyway, as the lake would make this noise at nighttime, it's eerie, the noise. Makes the hair stand up on your neck. But I used to tell the kids that was Loon Lake Louie, the lake monster, and he was trapped under the ice trying to get out. I know, I'm warping young minds, but hey, that's what grandparents are supposed to do. There. Did you hear that? You could hear the crack going from left to right here, just running down the length of the lake. Make quite a little noise. See if we can get another one here. It's pretty quiet right now. But last night it was like -11, and now today it's only about -1 right now. So like the ice is freezing and then it's thawing again on the top. So plus there's still water running into the lake because the brooks are still open. And over here on the right hand side, you can't see it, but away over there on the right hand corner is the outlet of the lake. So that's always open. It very rarely does that ever freeze because the water runs through there pretty good. You can get a boat through there, but you have to be careful. It's kind of shallow. Come on, Loon Lake Louie, make yourself a noise here. I want to hear you. There. Now just picture, I hope you heard that, but just picture yourself out here. It's like 10, 11 o'clock at night. No moon, but the stars are just twinkling and blinking just as bright as anything. She's as black as all get out. You can't see your hand in front of your face. And then you hear that noise. Yeah. I think that would even scare the coyotes. We got a couple of responses from Loon Lake Louie, the lake monster. Just a quick little video. Hope you enjoyed it. Take care, folks. Have a great week. We'll talk to you.